Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We're college students who create learning activities for kids. Our activities are focused in reading, writing, and math. In today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you how you can use 5s, 10s, and 100 to add up to a number within 1,000. We're going to start today's lesson by going over place value, giving some place value examples, and then jumping into the problems. Let's begin. Place value is how much a number is worth based on where it is in the number. Let's show some examples of place value. As seen, we have 4 different places to identify. Let's use this number for an example. We're going to use the number 1,256. As you can see in the number, the digit most to the right is the number 6. 6 ends up in the ones place value. Then to the left of 6, we have 5, which is in the tens place value, meaning that if we didn't have these numbers, we would have 56. Then to the left of 5, we have 2 in the hundreds place value, meaning if we didn't have this number, we would have 256. Lastly, to the left, we have a 1 in the thousands place value, meaning that altogether we have 1,256. Now that we know place values, we can begin to add within the number 1,000. Let's start with the number 400 and keep adding 5s until we reach the number 450. If you can see, we have 400 plus 5 equals 405. Moving down, we have 405 plus 5 equals 410. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then we have 410 plus 5 equals 415. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Next we have 415 plus 5 equals 420. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Next we have 420 plus 5 equals 425. 20 plus 5 equals 25. Next we have 425 plus 5 equals 430. 25 plus 5 equals 30. Next we have 430 plus 5 equals 435. 30 plus 5 equals 35. Next we have 435 plus 5 equals 440, showing that 35 plus 5 equals 40. Next we have 440 plus 5 equals 445. 40 plus 5 equals 45. 445 plus 5 equals 450. 45 plus 5 equals 50. Now let's move on to the tens. We're going to be counting from 250 to 350. Let's begin. 250 plus 10 equals 260. 260 plus 10 equals 270. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 270 plus 10 equals 280. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 280 plus 10 equals 290. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 290 plus 10 equals 300. 90 plus 10 equals 100. 300 plus 10 equals 310. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 310 plus 10 equals 320. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 320 plus 10 equals 330. 20 plus 10 equals 30. 330 plus 10 equals 340. 30 plus 10 equals 40. And 340 plus 10 equals 350. 40 plus 10 equals 50. Lastly, we are going to count by the hundreds. So we are going to start with 100 and work all the way to 1,000. 100 plus 100 equals 200. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 200 plus 100 equals 300. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 300 plus 100 equals 400. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 400 plus 100 equals 500. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 500 plus 100 equals 600. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 600 plus 100 equals 700. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 700 plus 100 equals 800. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 800 plus 100 equals 900. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And 900 plus 100 equals 1,000. 900 plus 100 equals 1,000. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And you come up with a total of 1,000. Now we're going to move over to some addition problems that will help you further your knowledge and be able to complete the worksheet. Next we have 340 plus 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. And we're going to carry the 3 down to get a total of 350. 340 plus 10 equals 350. Next we have 720 plus 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we're going to carry the 7 down, leaving us with 730. 720 plus 10 equals 730. Lastly, we have 360 plus 100. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 0 equals 6. And 3 plus 1 equals 4. 360 plus 100 equals 460. Thank you so much for learning with us today. I hope that you are now comfortable with understanding what place value is and how much a number is worth based on where it is placed. I hope you also are comfortable with adding in patterns of 5s, 10s, and 100s. Head on over to the worksheet for additional practice and feel free to rewatch this video as many times as needed. Please comment below if you have any questions and like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back next week with more videos.